Hey guys, what's up? We are at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay for the Scream Cam 2025. Let's go inside and see what's going on. Alright, so first up we have Black Widow Spiders. It's going to be a seasoned Angus beef on a craft seed, black poppy seed bun, and smoky red Gouda sauce. Next up we have Vampire Tacos, which is shredded pork carnitas with cilantro crema on a warm flour tortilla. Alright, so they have the full food lineup over here. So we're looking at Cheetos Churros, Slaughter Dog, deep fried wings. We got your Black Widow sliders again, Extreme Smoke Mac, Vampire Tacos, Blood Dust Loaded Fries, Zombie Brains, your Zombie Fingers, Flamin' Hot Chicken Tenders, Flamin' Hot Elote, Crispy Cheesy Cheetos Korean Corn Dog, and then your Zombie Rice. So for the drinks this year, they have Vampire Bite, which is vodka, Monin Red Passion Fruit Syrup, cranberry juice, and margarita flavoring, and you got the little light up cup. And then over here we have the Blood Bags, which is vodka, Monin Cranberry Syrup, grenadine, and grape juice. You got the little Blood Bags here, cup, and then of course everybody's favorite, we have the Jello syringe. So we got orange Jello, vodka, rose wine, sangria, and cranberry juice. So over here they have all the merchandise. They have the Spirit jerseys coming up here. Little light up Blinky skull, tumbler, the backpack, the lounge spot, bucket hat, light up sword or dagger, blanket, toothpick holder, cool, cup, another shirt. They got the blanket, which is a $25 with your purchase of $40 or more. And then here's going to be the back of the shirt. It's going to list all of the houses on there, as well as howl-o-scream, Busch Gardens, Tampa. Alright, so we're just about to enter the M.A.R.S house for the first time for the Scream Cam. Let's go inside and see what's going on. Guys, so we are going inside the house now. Let's see what it's all about. So let's see. What's going on there? It's been a while, so let's see what's all about. Got a guy hanging up here. Alright. Got some paws. Oh no, alright, I'll be quiet. Oh yeah, there's a spider. Oh my god, alright. Yeah, I guess you're gonna send in here. Whoa, I got a monster. A lot of cool scenery in here. Very nice theming. Aliens breaking through.
Get out while you can!
Oh, alright, you said get out while I can. Alright. Oh, hello. Oh no. Whoa, y'all got the last one. Alright, well, that was the house. Very neat. Very neat. Alright, so that's going to do for the Scream Cam 2025. We got to check out all the food and merchandise and also the Scream Cam. It was a really fun event. And of course, if you guys like what we do, follow us on our socials and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!